Ron, KC0QVT BridgeCom Systems. Just got blessed today, and Dave Phillips just came by the shop to pick up his plug and play package. Nice to meet you, Dave.
Nice to meet you, Ron.
Yeah. So, Dave, if you wouldn't mind, tell me, why did you buy the plug and play package?
I called here and got a hold of Jeremiah, and he told me about it, walked me through the process. He took care of all my screw-ups. Whenever we finished, I said, that's what I want. Now, after about 3 weeks of on the phone with him, he said, it's ready to go.
Nice.
So I said, well, I'd be here Tuesday, but the wife's got something going Tuesday that I need to be home. So I came today.
Yeah. Well, here we got, Lucas has got this. There it is right there. Dave's from Rushville, Missouri, which is just northwest of here.
Yep.
Not far. But yeah, Dave's picking up a plug and play package, and Lucas has got it totally ready to go. So out of the box success. We want to hear you on the air, Dave.
Me too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you got the ultra code plug, and yeah, you even got one of these. This is
Yes.
a Bluetooth earpiece, so he can have hands-free while he's driving down the road. But hey, we're glad to partner with you.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.
I am glad to have it.
Yeah, thanks for stopping by. Anyway,
You're welcome.
7-3, folks.